This is the 2023 Acura TLX Type S, a luxury sports sedan that stands at the top of Acura's performance lineup. With a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine, SH-AWD system, and an aggressive design, the TLX Type S is a dream car for many enthusiasts. But the one you see in front of you tells a very different story. It has suffered a devastating accident, damaged so badly that it was declared a total loss. The frame is twisted, suspension broken, interior ripped apart, and countless components destroyed. To most people, this is nothing more than scrap metal, worthless beyond saving. But to me, this is a challenge and an opportunity. I'm starting the journey to restore and upgrade this 2023 TLX Type S, bringing it not only back to life, but beyond its original form. Step by step, from chassis, engine, suspension, brakes, electronics, to the bodywork, everything will be inspected, rebuilt, and improved. The ultimate goal is not just to return this TLX to its former glory, but to create something extraordinary, more powerful, more unique, and one of a kind in the world. This will prove that even machines written off as junk can rise again, stronger, sharper, and ready to shine brighter than ever. And after countless hours of meticulous work, the heart of the 2023 Acura TLX Type S has been revived. The engine is alive again, ready for the road ahead. All the severely damaged parts have been completely removed, leaving behind a clean and solid foundation for the restoration journey. This is only the beginning, but it marks a turning point. From now on, this car is no longer just wreckage from an accident. It has a beating heart once again. In the next chapter, we'll move even further, rebuilding the chassis, installing key components, and step by step transforming this project into a true masterpiece.